everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Henry Ford employee account. If you'd like to access your employee account and manage it online, then it is quite easy. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.henryford.com/connect and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on this page. Click on the HR Connect option right under Connect in order to log in as an employee. Now, click on this Login to Employee Self-Service option to end up in the self-service login portal. Enter your employee user ID in the first text box and enter your password on the next. After you are done filling in the details, click on the sign in button and you'll be able to sign in or log in to Henry Ford as an employee. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.